Hi everyone. This is just a really brief intro to the assertion evidence slide design. So I have posted to Canvas a list of instructions for you to take a look at and really kind of go through one at a time. There's a couple PowerPoints to look at, there's a website to look at and really kind of explore. On that website, there are a couple of links that have sample student presentations. So I'm asking you to watch a couple of those, post in the discussion about them, and ultimately upload an assertion evidence slide of your own. So you'll want to take a look at some data you're thinking about for your final paper, for your final presentation, maybe some interesting fact you found or something like that, and build it into an assertion evidence slide. You will probably be using PowerPoint or some sort of slideshow format for this. When you upload it to me on Canvas, make sure that it's in a file format that I can read. Don't do Google Docs, but if you want to PDF it, you can. If you want to send it through PowerPoint itself, that's totally fine. And I only need to see one assertion evidence slide. On your final presentation, I'm going to require that you use assertion evidence slide design. I'm going to give you one freebie that is one slide that you can use that's not in assertion evidence format, or that's not just straight up visual. So it's okay if you have a slide that's just a picture. That doesn't have to be an assertion evidence slide design. But if you're going to have text on it, it should be assertion evidence, but you can have one slide that's in traditional bullets or does something else. And the evidence should be visual, but it can be something like a flow chart. So you have text and arrows or something like that. And a couple of the examples on the PowerPoint will show you that that works as well. So your assertion is a sentence, and then your evidence really can be a flow chart that includes visuals and text. So that kind of text is okay. If you have any questions about assertion evidence slide design, if you have any questions for me about whether your sentence is an assertion, whether the evidence supports it, whether the evidence looks nice in the slide, I'm perfectly happy to help you with your final presentation. If this were a traditional class that we were meeting, you'd have all kinds of informal chances to talk to me after class, to sort of run into me in the hallway and ask me questions, pop into my office, and I want to make sure that I'm able to give you a similar amount of attention. So let me know if you want to meet. We can schedule a Google Hangouts meeting, or if you're in town, I can meet you in person. We can figure it out so that I can guide you through on your presentation. So take a look at all of this. This assignment, this participation assignment is worth 15 points because it's so multi-part. You have to look at all this stuff, then you have to post in a discussion, and you have to post an assertion evidence slide, and that'll be just uploaded to this assignment on Canvas. So it is Monday now when I'm recording this. This is due Friday, so you only have a few days on it. It shouldn't take that long to look through all of the stuff. I think even with viewing the couple of sample presentations, you'll be within an hour and a half on it. You can kick back with your laptop and explore, take a look at the website and all that. I think the exploration and the PowerPoints should take about 45 minutes to look through. The sample presentations, each one of them is about 10 minutes long, so if you view a couple of them, you're looking at 20 minutes. It's taking some time to think about the discussion. You know, you might post in there and take you another 10 minutes or so to figure out. And then, of course, building your own assertion evidence slide will take longer than that, but you can take that thing and use it in your final presentation. So what you're doing is you're getting a very, very small jump on getting started on your final presentation. I know that you are only now exploring your topics and trying to figure out what to write about. And so this is a chance to jumpstart the process of trying to figure out how to present it as well. And it's one of many steps that'll get you there. So hopefully that's explanation enough for you, but please take a look at all of this. Feel free to email me if you have questions or send me a message on Google Hangouts. I'm going to see you all Friday for our final class period, And so it'll be great to see kind of where you are in your paper and presentation process and talk about this a little further. Thanks and have a great week.